Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So as you might have seen in one of my previous videos at Rockingham, I had a bit of a bump. So we've got the car on the back there, and you also might have seen that when we painted the car, my dad's friend John Crowther helped us paint it, and he also has a body shop, and we would like this car to be done for next week, but my dad's got work and I have school, so we're going to take it to him now so he can paint it and fix it all up. So anyway, let's go. The car is now in the garage, and this is going to be the last time we'll see all the dents and stuff and that massively caved in door. Luckily these aren't our new doors, these are old doors, so you know, we've got all new doors now. But yeah, anyway, goodbye car and goodbye dent. Getting the parts out. The car is already there, but we are taking his car just so it's out the way, because you know, he's doing us a favour, so we're doing him a favour as well. But yeah, we've done a little bit of the fixing up on them, on that bumper there, because that got properly smashed up. So fiberglassed all that and done the filler. That car is now on there, and he's going to do my car. But yeah, anyway, I'm probably going to go over to my dad's vlog now, because he's going to film picking up all the doors and all that sort of stuff. So anyway, go over to him.
Hello everyone, I'm Max's dad, and Max has asked me to take over his vlog for a couple of minutes because, as you probably saw in last week's vlogs, Max crashed his car, and if you haven't seen that, I strongly recommend you go back, have a look at last week's vlog, because Max had 2 crashes at Rockingham and there was quite a lot of damage done to his car. Now we want to get the car done and repaired for this coming Saturday, but unfortunately this week I'm working away in Liverpool, so we can't do it. So John Crowther, the guy who came and helped us restore Max's car, has kindly offered to fix Max's car. So obviously we've just taken the car down to John Crowther. I'm now driving from Liverpool, where I'm working this week. I'm going to Warsaw to see our friend Dan at BM Conversions Limited, who's going to provide us with some headlights and some M3 drive shafts. The M3 drive shafts are stronger than the standard ones, and I think he's got a brand new one for us, so that'll be great. We're going to get them, and then from BM Conversions in Warsaw, I'm then going to go to Birmingham, and we're going to see Abid. Now Abid is a guy we met a couple of weeks ago. He's got an E30 breakers. He's got a warehouse full of E30 stuff. So we're going to Abid, we're going to go and get a bonnet, we're going to get a wing, we're going to get 2 doors, we're going to get the slam panel, all the stuff that was damaged, the back light, all the stuff that was damaged in the crash. We're going to get all these parts. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the parts from Birmingham, from Abid, we're going to take them to John in Sheffield, give them to him so he can spray them all up and stick them to the car, and then I go back to Liverpool. So okay, let's see how we get on. Okay, so we're here at BM Conversions. We've got the M3 drive shaft. That's a new old stock M3 drive shaft, and we've got 4 headlights for Max's car. And I just want to show you something in Dan's garage here. We've got this beautiful E30 convertible that's been fully restored. Get down here, because Dan does a lot of bespoke parts for E30s and actually restores cars so that they look like that. Okay, let's go to Birmingham. Okay, so there you go. We've got the headlights, we've got the drive shaft, we've got to see the amazing E30 convertible that Dan's restored to showroom condition. Absolutely amazing, that car just looked beautiful. And now we're on our way to see Abid in Birmingham. It's about a 55-minute drive to get the parts that we need to complete Max's car. Okay guys, so we are here at the BMW E30 guys in Birmingham, and if you look around here, there's absolutely loads of stuff, loads of E30s, and this is Abid, who provides all the stuff.
Oh,
okay.
mate.
And what's this, Abid? What's this one?
Oh, it's an old 420, isn't it? Jumbie, yeah.
Look at that, mate. Brilliant. Okay, so we've picked up the stuff, we've got all the panels we need to continue the work. We'll see you later. Okay, so we are here at John's garage. It's JC Automotive, if you want to check him out on Facebook. There's the car's looking a little bit sorry for itself. Here we go. And it looks like the B post here has been pushed in. It's making contact with the roll cage. So the roll cage actually did its job and stopped the side of the car caving in there. But yeah, we've got all the stuff down here that we've been to buy. Dropped it all off, and John's going to get it painted and stuck to the car. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed my little bit of the vlog. Been to BM Conversions in Warsaw, been to see Abid in Birmingham, been to drop the stuff off with John at JC Automotive. We'll put a link in his description below to the his social media and things like that. And yeah, I'm off back to Liverpool, over to Mike's.
Okay guys, so the car is on the trailer, but I'm not going to show you the guys that. Well, I'm going to show you in this video, but at Drift Cup, because that's going to be a cool place to get some cinematic shots. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy that.